If you're looking for velvet throw pillows, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Rivet. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by McAlister Textiles. Number 3, by Stone and Beam. For more info about this great throw pillows, just click this circle. Number 4, by McAlister Textiles. Number 5, by the HomeCentric. Full detail for more great related products.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.